Hey, in this video we're doing some accessory installation today. First, I installed a new bumper on the Defender DPS 2022, but then it kind of looked kind of empty, so I needed a 12-inch LED light bar so that we can enjoy some riding in the evenings here. So this video here is about our quick install. So it comes with the harness kit, and we see we have different leads from the light into our batteries. And then we have some quick connectors or clips that will go straight to the switch that we need to wire. So I'm not doing anything crazy with splicing these wires. So I'm just gonna find an existing channel that goes underneath through up the middle. And then I'm just gonna remove some of these panels, and then so I can bring the wires up here so I can get it to keyed power. And then from that, I can wire the three-way switch over to the left side of the Defender, so it can be taking up one of these spots here, which I think will fit nicely right in there. All right, so before we get started here, just go over the wiring diagram, which I've done here. And the only problem I kind of got stumbled on is how to put these red wires for the switch, but I think I got it right. And yeah, so it should be fairly good. So after you get the wiring kind of figured out, what we're going to do here is we're going to start running some wire, and we're going to go from the top. So with the DPS, you got lots of nooks and crannies so you can push the wire through. It is a thicker wire, part of the wiring harness, so I was able to follow an existing channel, and that kind of goes underneath and then up through, and so I can have my terminal ends right here to bus power, and then I'll be able to run this end right over the steering column over to the switch, which should be fairly easy. So we just need to pull this little clip out, and then from there we're going to feed in the wire. And then how to reach around, well, you just need to pull this off right here. You can access the wire very easy to get it over on this side, so you can tuck away the wires and zip tie everything up nice and neat. So here's the switch all installed. Yeah, pretty simple. We got everything all nice and cleaned up here, and with everything, all the covers back on. This is my second time doing electrical installation, or accessory installation. Trying to get the hang of it here. So now we're just going to finish up finding a spot where we can run the wire to the light itself. So now that we're all done, we found a good spot, cleaned everything up. I got lots of room in the DPS for other accessories or other wiring. So anyway, here it is. Fairly simple. Yeah, you definitely do need a bumper. You know, these bumpers have the perfect spots for these light bars, and I think it looks pretty good. Let's wait a couple hours and do a quick little demo. And here it is. And we can see, let's turn on the standard low beam light here against my wildfire burnt property here that we had earlier in the summer. So this is low beam, OEM low beam. And let's turn on high beam for the OEM bulbs. So now we're going to turn this off, and we're going to turn on the light bar. And this is the reason why I got the light bar. So a lot more light, very nice, kind of like the light color. Don't like the warm color of the OEM, but anyway, that is it. Fairly easy install. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and we'll talk to you guys next time.